Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hi, this is Shagufta. Today I will teach you address map. So, for making address map, you will go insert menu, then you will click shapes and select rectangle. Okay, like this, you can make every types of maps. So, take rectangle tool and then draw. Shape fill, and you will click no fill. Okay, the next you will again go shapes and then you will click flowchart delay and then draw. You will draw next shape according to the previous shape. You have to set this shape. Okay, I'm giving only hints to make address map. So after this you can map every type of map: address map, school map, world map. Okay, now I will select this second shape, then I will apply this picture, select shape fill and click pictures because I want to apply picture inside this shape. So that's why I will select shape fill and then click picture, browse and select. Then you will select rectangle again and draw. And no shape fill. Take copy through, press Ctrl and mouse left click, and you can also take copy from Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, I will select again and take copy through Ctrl and mouse left click. Again take copy and keep this copy size small. Okay, select this outside rectangle and go shape outline and apply weight. Select line tool and draw line. Throw shift for straight line. Go shape outline, apply black color. Again go shape outline and apply weight. Okay. Next, if you would like to apply arrow in your address map, so you will select arrow tool and then draw. Okay, firstly you will move this and arrow tool, press shift, shape outline, take copy through control C, control V, or you can also take through control and mouse left click. Select this and change direction. Select rotate and flip vertical. Okay. Okay. Now I will go again, insert, shape menu, line tool, and then select line and draw line, throw shift, apply weight, select arrow tool and make this arrow, and again apply shape outline weight. Okay, now I would like to give some text tool, and text direction. You will know you will not give text direction because this is straight text. And shape fill, no fill and no outline, because we don't want to show these tags in shape. Again select text box and give text. And change text direction. Select this and you can apply change case and center, bold, and go format menu, select shape. After select shape, no fill and no outline. Again you will select text box, then draw text direction, rotate all text 270. This is all name optional. Shape fill, no fill, no outline. Okay. Now I would like to apply shapes of place. Select rectangle. Okay, don't draw rectangle. Escape कर दिया मैंने. Select this rectangle and format shift shape fill. Select pictures, browse and apply this. You can also small this size. I will press Ctrl Z and Ctrl C, Ctrl V and small this, and then you will apply picture, shape fill, picture, browse, shape outline, no outline. Okay, then I will apply another. Insert, shape, rectangle, draw rectangle and shape fill, picture, browse. Okay, don't need to apply picture. You can mention only name of the place for help provide who are searching the address for search the place. Shape outline, no outline. Okay, then select rectangle, draw and shape outline, pictures, browse, school, then you will go here, insert shapes, draw shape, shape outline, picture, browse, park, shape outline, no outline. Select shape outline, no outline, because we don't want to show these picture in shape. Okay, then I will take rectangle, draw, and apply color. You can apply any type of color. Again select text box, then draw text box and write text. Select this, apply writing color, size, center, select text box, shape outline, no fill and no outline, and apply white color in text. Select this shape and no outline. Then you will apply more text for help search address. Shape outline, no outline, and no fill. Next, draw shapes. No fill, no outline, okay, you can apply more things or more shapes, draw shape, Light color. Again you will draw. Man hand making, you will select scribble tool and then draw through a scribble tool. Insert shapes. Okay, this was my class for address making. If you will have any problem, sorry, if you have any problem in this class, so you can ask me in comments. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Remember me in your prayer. Allah Hafiz.